Hey everyone, Kaushal here. Just look at this crazy integration question. At first glance, it seems impossible, right? But by the end of this video, I promise that we'll be able to solve this super tricky exponential integration question step by step using the substitution method of integration. Now students, when you see this type of question where the powers are stacked one above the other, 5 to the power 5 to the power 5 to the power x, this type of question becomes very important for your class 12 board exams for ISC and CBSE both. Okay, in this type of question, just take the topmost power, that is 5 to the power x as z. So we will substitute 5 to the power x as z. Differentiating both sides with respect to x, we get ddx of 5 to the power x, that is ddx of a to the power x. है ना? Constant a is 5. So the differentiation becomes a to the power x into log a. So 5 to the power x into log 5, and right side I'll get ddx of z. Correct? So dx I can cross multiply, and log 5 I can take it down. So 5 to the power x into dx, that is dz by log 5. Okay. So let us try to transform this integral to our new variable z using substitution method. So integration of 5 to the power 5 to the power, this 5 to the power x becomes z. Again 5 to the power, this 5 to the power x becomes z, and 5 to the power x into dx, that becomes dz upon log 5. So dz I'll take over here, and 1 upon log 5, because that is a constant, I'll be taking outside the integral. Okay. Now furthermore, we can see 5 to the power z as our power again. So what we'll do is, we'll again substitute 5 to the power z as our new variable t. Differentiating both sides with respect to z, again we'll have ddz of 5 to the power z, that is a to the power z. So formula is a to the power z into log a. So 5 to the power z into log 5, and on the right side ddz of t. Okay. So what we can do is dz on the top, okay, log 5 in the bottom. So 5 to the power z into dz, that is equal to dt by log 5. Okay. So now again we'll transform our integral, and after transformation I can see integration of 5 to the power, the yellow part will become t according to our substitution, and 5 to the power z into dz, that is dt by log 5. So I will write dt by log 5. Already there was a log 5 in the denominator. So basically now I'll have log 5 whole to the power 2 in the denominator. This integral does not look scary anymore. This is a standard exponential integration form. Integration of a to the power t, where a is a constant, which is 5 over here. So the standard formula for that is a to the power t upon log a. So I will get a to the power t means 5 to the power t, by log a means log 5. And already we have log 5 to the power 2 in the denominator. So eventually we'll be getting log 5 whole to the power 3 plus c. Okay. And so resubstituting back the value of t over here. What was t? T was 5 to the power z. So I will write 5 to the power z over here. And what was z? Z was 5 to the power x. So I will write z as 5 to the power x over here. Friends, if you were able to solve this question yourself correctly, just drop in your comments below. I solved it. Students, this is one of those trickiest questions for your board exams, class 12, based on substitution method of integration, which you must know. In the subsequent videos of integration practice series that we are conducting, I'll be posting more questions like these and even trickier questions like these. So please don't miss out on any question. In case you have not watched my previous videos of integration practice series, the link for the playlist is given in the description below. Please do check that out. And if you like this video, do press the like button, share with your classmates. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Kaushal Chaudhary, the Mathematics Geek, so that you don't miss out any important update related to your class 12 boards. Signing off. Thank you so much.